What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So it seems every day there's something new that's coming out that's crashing the market. And for crypto, it just doesn't look great today. After seeing a positive day, making me feel a little bit good, and then seeing that positivity kind of go away, um, I had mixed emotions about everything, right? I'm happy, I'm sad, I'm glad, I see opportunity, but then I also see a collapse, and then I don't see opportunity, then I start to question whatever is going on, and I start to talk to people about the crypto market, and it makes me feel a little bit better. Then it makes me feel worse as I look at the market. It's just a bunch of a mess, right? It's a huge mess. Um, but I wanted to talk about the crypto market because there's a reason why things are falling, and I'm going to give you that reason as to why things are crashing. Now, it's not a crazy crash, but there are some things that are dropping more than others, but most of them are dropping. They're consistent around maybe that 2% mark. So before we get started in this, make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to check out some of the links that are down below for my social medias, feel free to do that. My Patreon, my Twitter, all of that stuff is down there in the description. And, you know, I think where we need to go here, right? I'm not even going to get into whatever else there, right? If you want to follow my other YouTube channels, that's what I was trying to say. If you want to follow those, go ahead and follow those. I've been uploading a lot on some of those channels. And I think I have some interesting videos on cryptocurrency. So if you want to go and check them out, feel free to go and do that. But I think where we need to get started is by looking at the market, understanding where the market is, and then going into the reasons as to why we are seeing what we are seeing. So, guys, again, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, but let's go ahead and get into this real quick. So, if we look at the market, we're going to see the entire market, if I refresh this, is down by about 2%. It's down to an $850 billion market cap. I remember when this was above 1 trillion, above 2 trillion. You know, I remember when this was really making moves, when the crypto market was really making moves. But right now it's down. You can see that Bitcoin's dominance is down to 39%, while Ethereum, you are seeing dominance of around, 18 to 20% or something, something like that. But the markets don't really look great. Bitcoin is down by 2.5%. Ethereum's down by 3%. You're seeing BNB that's down by 2.7%. XRP that's down by 1%. Right, and you look over the last 7 days, it's eating away at those. Like Binance or BNB coin is down by 10% over the last 7 days, which is pretty big. You're seeing Dogecoin that's down by 12% or almost 12.5% in the last 7 days. And 3.5% today. Cardano actually was below that 30 cent mark, and it's down about 4.5% over the last 7 days, 2%, almost 2.5% for the last 24 hours. If we go down here, Litecoin's down by 4% or 5% over the last 7 days. You are seeing some things that are slightly up over the last 7 days, but down today. And we keep scrolling down here. We're going to see Shiba Inu down 1%. Cosmos is down by 1%. Ethereum Classic is down by 4%. You're seeing Algorand down by 3%. And you kind of get the picture, right? I want to look at Terra Luna Classic, which is down by 2%. You kind of get the picture of where we're coming from. The entire market is down. Things are falling again and again, and it makes me upset, right? It makes a lot of people upset. But then you also see some opportunities with certain things, like maybe ADA, you can see an opportunity within that. Maybe Ethereum, you can see an opportunity within that. Or maybe you see BNB at a very, very low point because of maybe the news that's actually affecting it. So let me actually get into that. So I did put out, or I'm going to put out a video on this whole detail and breaking this down in full. So if you want to see that video, that's going to be coming out soon. But mainly, I believe it's because of Binance. So Binance has a problem, and I don't know if it's technically a problem with like their financials per se. It's just a problem with trust. Binance created this lack of trust within the crypto market by talking about FTX and FTT token, talking about crypto.com, talking about other exchanges, and trying to kind of become this monopoly that it makes people start to question what they are doing. So a lot of people are coming after Binance and saying, you guys don't seem like you have everything together. And they release a lot of their information, maybe their reserves, where they show how much their firm is worth, their exchange is worth, as well as how much volume they have come in every 24 hours and all this other stuff that you want to see, and how much they have in full reserves being one-to-one backed. However, it doesn't break down the other piece to that. Understanding how much your inflows are is great. But understanding how much your monthly outflows are, and it's not necessarily just from withdrawals, but also from liabilities, how much you owe to people, right? What if you don't owe anybody anything? Why is that not the easiest thing to come up with? You shouldn't need the largest audit in the world to give you kind of a glance of what is owed there. If you don't owe anybody anything, which I'm pretty sure you do have liabilities, then you would be able to show all of this stuff, but they're not showing it, right? It shows NA, it doesn't show any type of detail, and people want to see that. CZ just recently went on CNBC talking about, his exchange, and the fact that if he saw $2 billion, if he had a $2 billion hit or a $2 billion pullback or clawback, would he be able to survive? And he didn't answer the question and say, yes, we would. He didn't say, yes, we are perfectly fine. He basically just came out and said, we'd be okay, right? And that's not what people want to hear, right? So with that, you're seeing a lot of people that are withdrawing money. You're seeing people that are getting out of the crypto market in general, which obviously does decrease crypto. So that's the reason why you're seeing the crypto market crash, is because of what's going on with Binance. Now, I have more detail as to what's going on with Binance in a later video. If you guys want to see that, I'm going to be uploading that on the channel a little bit later, probably somewhere around 7 o'clock today or something like that, because this video will be the first one somewhere around 4. But anyways, guys, let me know what you think about it, because right now we're seeing a ton of opportunity in the market, and maybe BNB will get to an opportunity mark. However, then it's like, are you going to risk the entire basket or your entire portfolio in in BNB for all of this? Because we don't know what's going to happen with BNB, and we don't know what's going to happen with Binance. And I would imagine they're very strong, but things are not really adding up. It really doesn't. It seems like they're trying to push blame or push the site onto other exchanges and all that stuff, so that they don't get noticed. But we're noticing them now, right? They're heavily in the news. A lot of interviews and a lot of things that just don't add up to any of us. So guys, if you could, make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. I definitely have some questions and I want to see some answers, but we're not all getting those answers. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.